Aspects of human behavior to succeed. Motivation is the reason which instills people to embark upon certain behavior that is persuasive in nature. This persuasive nature tends to motivate people towards that particular task, goal, or objective. Therefore, motivation is the force that drives an individual and propels them towards their objectives. In order to be motivated, one has to adapt to certain behavioral patterns that actually bring the mind to work dynamically. Therefore, it is a state of mind which is not related to one's personality but is rather adopted by a person who is intrinsically motivated. There are certain aspects of behaviors that tend to propel a person towards being motivated. These are arousal of behavior, direction of behavior, and persistence of behavior. 1. Arousal of behavior. This is the triggering factor that brings a change of mind. When a person is motivated, she tends to start thinking about the actions related to what motivated them. These actions arouse one's behavior, in which certain action plans are created in the mind of the person who is motivated. Therefore, arousal is also the activation of behavior. 2. Direction of behavior. Direction of behavior is the alignment of one's thoughts and action plans so that a sense of direction is formed. When a person's behaviors are directed, she tends to maintain their focus towards their target objective. Moreover, direction also maintains one's thoughts towards that particular action plan. 3. Persistence of behavior. Persistence is an important element in motivation as it ensures continuity and concreteness regarding the action plans. It also maintains one's motivation and also continues the goal achievement of the person. Other than these behavioral aspects, motivation is also catered by some motives that are important. These can be psychological or physiological in nature, which fall under homeostatic motives, such as those important for living, e.g., thirst, hunger, etc., non-homeostatic motives, such as shelter-seeking habits, curiosity, etc., and social, learned motives, such as approval, appreciation, etc. Homeostatic elements are inborn and need not be nurtured as such. They are present as an inherent part of one's nature. Non-homeostatic elements tend to be affected by the surroundings and can arise due to general observation. However, social or learned motives are different in every individual, as people tend to behave differently, face variety of situations, and are shaped continuously by the people and the situation they face. That is why every individual's response to these motives is quite different, depending on their upbringing, experience, and learning pattern. Therefore, every individual responds differently when motivated, which is exhibited via the behavioral aspects and the individual motives. The key point to note here is that no matter how you are conditioned, always respond positively so as to maximize your potential and harbor your motivation. Once you learn how to control these behavioral aspects, you can take charge of yourself and change sails according to the direction your life propels you in. This would make you move easily into the realms of success.